this chapter, we are diving into more EIGRP, more advanced configurations, a lot more that goes into it. Then we're going to cover the summarization methods and our default routes and interface settings, also authentication. Here's an example of a topology here. What to notice is the bandwidth for these serial interfaces. They were set using the bandwidth command. Here's a look at summarization. We all know, we use summarization to free up the routing table, and by taking, say, 3 routes and make it into one. This is automatic summarization, which is not good in the situation that you have each individual subnet for neighbors. That'll be inconsistent. So you want to disable automatic summary. Here's the command for that. It's pretty simple. Just have your EIGRP routing process and type in auto summary. And to disable it, no auto summary. To verify a summary route, we look at the show IP EIGRP topology all links command. That'll show our summary route and some of its successors. Manual summary routes, like it says, it's not automatic. You configure it yourself using making them binary, and we all know that. So to do that, there is the command, the IP address summary EIGRP 1, and then you type in your new summary address. And yeah, that's right there. Propagating a default route, we set a static route to go out to non-protocol dependent resources. So we use the quad 0 route, and then we send it out an interface, and then you take that interface and use the redistribute static command for that. The default route will show up as D*EX. There it is. There's where it's getting to. Here it is for IPv6. With 2 colons, -0. Send it out the interface, and then redistribute static again. One thing to keep in mind for EIGRP is the bandwidth. By default, it uses up 50%, and you can go and change that with the IP bandwidth -% command. So, say you want 40%, you do that command, your process number, which is 1, and then 40. Here we have authentication within EIGRP. We have a keychain and key. So you set that up with this. Type in keychain, you have whatever name you desire. You have your key ID, which could be 1, and you have your key string, which would be whatever sort of password you want to have. And then you apply that to an interface with this. Then you have your MD5, it's MD5. And, yep. This is an example of that all written out, configured.